Everyone, I want to talk about this VEVOR shoe cabinet that was given to me to test and review. We're going to check it out here. My daughter's going to open them up, but this is a big space saver. You can put a lot of shoes in it, as you can see, a whole bunch of shoes. So rather than everybody seeing the mess of shoes all around the place, they're nice and tucked away into this cabinet. She's going to open the second shelf here too. And there you got it, a bunch of pairs in the second shelf. You could also adjust these shelves here, so if you want to make more space on the top or the bottom, you can do that. And on the bottom shelf here, you can see that we have boots in place, so I took the shelf out in the middle here. So you can put boots or high heels in there as well and get everything out of the way and looking good. It comes in a bunch of pieces, so you do have to spend a little bit of time to put it together. It does come with these matching stickers to cover these screw holes. You have your nice handles here to pull them out and push them back in. But a great way to store your shoes and keep your room looking nice. You can see here it has a narrow profile, so you can put it up against the wall. It does have a cutout, so you can put it up against trim at the bottom. There is an option on the back to secure it to the wall so it doesn't topple forward. I didn't do that yet, but it has that option. And these close nice and smooth. Keeps your mess away from everything. A nice storage system. So I hope this review was helpful. Thanks for watching.